Hi, my name is Ruth Donnelly from Coachwood Nursery in Somersby, New South Wales, Australia. We had a fantastic discovery about 3 or 4 years ago. In our nursery, there was an amazing new colourful shoot on an existing plant that we knew well, Kalanchoe fedsgenkoi, and this is the normal leaf that it has. It's fairly plain grey. Sometimes it gets a little bit, in winter when the weather cools down, a little bit pink around the edge, and very good for an outdoor landscaping plant, good on a veranda, an upright, low spreading shrub, you could call it almost. Tough, long-lived, and it's very hardy, but fairly plain grey-green leaf. This is exactly what we found. Just as one small shoot. Here's a pot of 10 of them after quite a few years of trialling and growing. We took a cutting from that original shoot. We left a little bit of the new variety on the mother plant so that it actually would be a safety valve in case the piece that we were propagating failed. So if you find a new variety that you think is a new variety on your plants, whether it's a succulent or any plant generally, it's a really good idea to just leave a little bit on there so that it can reshoot, multiply and stay on the original bush, and you can watch it grow even as a sport or a new variety on the bush that you found it. So the new little shoot grew, and then we took cuttings from that, then we took cuttings from those. So through 5 generations, and even now it's been up to probably 10 generations of propagation, we've stabilised and watched this new variegated Kalanchoe grow, and its main feature is that it's a gorgeous variegation which, when the weather cools down and when it's maturing, it has a beautiful pink tinge to it. So the pink tinge combined with the variegated swirls of colour on the leaf, we couldn't find a name immediately, but we settled on a lovely name called Kalanchoe Desert Sunset. So I'd like to share that with you today. We've only just started selling them this week in the nursery, and very excited. We've had lots of customers come in wanting to have a new plant, something to add to their collection, something that's different, something that's new. So keep a lookout for it as the years go by in Australia. I'm sure it's going to be well established and a very popular and favourite addition to your garden.